Neuralink device, and that has a battery and a Bluetooth and an inductive charger, and then you also got to insert the electrodes.
Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, posted a video showing how his brain-computer interface business, Neuralink, has progressed its technology to the point where the chip could allow a monkey to play video games with its thoughts. If Neuralink matches Musk's prior projection, the company might go from monkey testing to human trials within a year. After first disclosing his work with monkey implants in February, he started the business and hoped to start human trials by the end of the year. In this regard, today's video is all about Elon Musk finally testing Neuralink on humans. Without further ado, let's roll into the video. Elon Musk's brain-machine interface firm Neuralink gave a live demonstration of its technology, demonstrating a coin-sized gadget without wires. 3 pigs were brought along by the Tesla and SpaceX CEOs, each with various levels of enthusiasm for participating. The audience was eventually shown real-time neurological impulses from one of the pigs called Gertrude by Musk. Gertrude has had the implant for about 2 months now, according to Musk. The startup, which was founded in 2016 and is mostly backed by Musk, is developing microscopic, flexible threads that are 10 times thinner than a human hair, with the purpose of healing brain injuries and trauma, as well as enabling human-artificial intelligence cooperation in the future. According to the venture's presentation last year, the concept has been tried on at least 19 different animals using robots with an 87% success rate. He stated in July of 2019 that by the end of 2020, he planned to have an implant in a human patient. On August 28th, "We will display neurons firing in real time," Musk tweeted at the end of July. The Matrix in the Matrix. Musk has made some bold assertions about the technology's potential along the way. According to the business, implanting a chip to replace a small section of the human skull might restore limb function, improve human movement, fix difficulties with eyesight and hearing, and aid in the treatment of disorders like Parkinson's. During his Friday talk, Musk mentioned a number of other illnesses that Neuralink is presently working on, including memory loss, blindness, and paralysis. He claims that getting a link will not require general anesthesia and that a robot will perform the complete operation in under 1 hour. If the electrodes are put in the brain, the Neuralink gadget leaves a little scar, Musk explained, and if done correctly, there will be no blood. If you loved watching this informative video, please subscribe to our channel right now, and keep watching. According to Musk, it was roughly the size of a huge coin. The importance of neuron activity is critical to Neuralink's technology, as its name indicates. The group's long-term objective of achieving human symbiosis with artificial intelligence, AI, begins with the placement of electrodes throughout the brain and the simultaneous scanning of neuron impulses. The massive volumes of data collected from the impulses would eventually educate Neuralink software on how the brain utilizes them to interact with the rest of the body, resulting in some replication and guidance. Former employees have detailed pressured timetables and poor scientific development to Stat News, indicating that the firm has had its fair share of setbacks. According to specialists in the field, Neuralink and any potential rivals will face significant obstacles. By phone, Chad Boton, Vice President of Advanced Engineering at the Feinstein Institutes for Medical Research, told CNBC that any type of intrusive technology raises safety issues, including the possibility of infection with any implant. "It's not trivial," he told me over the phone. Musk's organization, according to Bhutan, should initially focus on those who have the greatest need for this technology, such as people with severe impairments. Can this technology improve the disorders in patients? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Such technology can help patients with illnesses like ALS, a degenerative nervous system disease that destroys nerve cells in the brain and spinal cord, find new methods to move and communicate. He also stated that this type of technology would most likely not be used by the general public for more than a decade. Neuralink is gearing up for its first human implant later this year, according to Elon Musk. In 2016, Musk co-founded the brain interface technology firm. In 2021, Neuralink published a video showing a monkey playing Mind Pong with a Neuralink chip. "We have Neuralink functioning well with monkeys," Elon Musk remarked at the Wall Street Journal's CEO Council Summit. Much testing is being carried out to ensure that the chip is extremely safe and dependable. the Neuralink gadget may be securely removed. Neuralink might be used to treat a variety of medical conditions, including spinal cord injuries and neurological illnesses. The researcher says we want to implant it on the first human with severe spinal cord damage, such as tetraplegics or quadriplegic. Musk told Afrotech that FDA approval is expected next year. Musk had planned to start testing Neuralink in 2021, and despite the unrealistic timescales, Musk is banking on the technology and an anticipated FDA approval to bring the human implant to market this year. Let's keep rolling with the video because you would love to hear the most exciting information ahead, so let's continue. In any event, Neuralink's first task is to persuade the FDA to allow human testing of such a device. Musk stated that Neuralink's standards for implanting the device is greater than what the FDA demands, indicating that regulatory clearance will not be a problem. The monkey in Neuralink's spring experiment had 2 brain chips implanted in a part of a brain called the motor cortex, which controls hand and arm movement. The monkey was initially taught to play a video game with a joystick by the experimenter. The monkey's neuron activity was captured by the brain chips, which were then put into an algorithm that predicted his hand motions in real time. The monkey eventually learned to play the game by moving a pointer to the desired location without using the joystick. Musk said on Twitter that a human experiment aimed at repairing brain functions would be more challenging and would include bridging messages across existing neurons. In answer to a Twitter user who asked how Neuralink device may assist in recovering memory loss or delusions caused by a stroke, he said, "Replacing faulty or missing neurons with circuits is the appropriate way to think about it. By simply connecting signals across existing neurons, many issues may be addressed. Progress will be quickened next year when we put gadgets in people. It's difficult to have complex talks with monkeys." Musk has previously made similar claims about his project, which he started back in 2016. He stated in 2019 that human testing would begin by the end of 2020. A new burst of information on the project has surfaced. Prior to the new video broadcast on Twitter, Musk had previously appeared on the social networking site Clubhouse and offered some further details on Neuralink. Musk explained how the chip was put in the monkey's brain and how it could play video games using only its thinking during his Clubhouse. Other animals have been used to test the chips, according to Neuralink. The business placed an AI brain chip in a pig last year. The implanted chips have the ability to read and write brain activity. Musk describes the brain-machine interface as a Fitbit in your skull, claiming it can do anything from cure paralysis to provide individuals with psychic abilities. But the most significant thing the gadget could be able to accomplish, according to Musk, is to enable individuals to achieve AI symbiosis, which the human brain and artificial intelligence mix. "I believe that's definitely going to be the future that we desire," he added today, "so that the destiny of the globe is governed by the collective will of the people of Earth." The technology is currently limited to the surface of the brain and does not burrow into deeper areas. On the surface of the brain, several critical activities such as movement, vision, and hearing take place. So with that said, this video has come to an end. What do you think? Does this Neuralink prove beneficial for humans? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And before leaving the video, hit the like, share, and subscribe icons below. Until next time, welcome to the world of the future.